We were an Air Force family. But our son could not grasp that fact. Anytime someone asked what his father did, he'd say, "He's in the army."
Okay. Believe and achieve.
I told him umpteen times. Stop telling people I'm in the army. It finally seemed to hit home because, on the admittance form for kindergarten, under "Father's Profession," the teacher wrote, "He doesn't know what his father does. But he's not in the army."
Hey, help me, bud. Help me. They're gonna kill me. They're gonna kill me, bud. Help me. Help it, hey. They're gonna kill me. They're gonna kill me.
Our eldest daughter, Anne, invited her college roommate to join our large family for Thanksgiving dinner. As families sometimes do, we got into a lively argument over a trivial subject. Until we remembered we had a guest in our midst. There was an immediate, embarrassed silence. She said, "Please don't worry about me. I was brought up in a family too."